bottom out and not get to go to Waterfalls at all today.
I didn't even think about that. Woo! Cool.
Let's go.
Yeah, Waterfalls!
I guess we're here.
We're at Middle Falls. I don't know where Lower Falls is, but we'll figure it out. The signs aren't very helpful in the Shasta Trinity area. Not very informative for the actual area.
Oh, it's open over here.
Yeah, I didn't expect that. I didn't feel like we were up high. There was another spot over there. Oh, wow!
Yeah, there's people down there hanging out.
How pretty! Wow. Oh yeah, there are people hanging out down there. I definitely don't want to go swimming.
Maybe it's way warmer down there next to the water.
Oh, there's a trail. Whoa! Let's see, how did those fools get down there?
I see people coming from that direction. Well, we went back into the truck and looked at the satellite view. Since they don't have much information here, we looked at the satellite to see where the trail goes down to the waterfalls, because we definitely want to get up close and personal, but we don't want to waste time looking for it. But we think we found it, so we're just going to head down.
The trail's going down?
Yeah, we must be on track.
I thought we were gonna have to like scram. Which I was down to do, I just didn't want to slip. Come on. Oh, fun, nice shot. You never know what we're gonna do.
Me either.
That's pretty. We're at Upper Falls now. We just left Middle Falls and that was pretty epic, so we're gonna see if this is better, the same, or worse. We'll see. Ooh, what is this? Did someone get married?
Somebody got married.
Congrats. What was thinking? Aw. Alright, again. No information. There's the sign. Oh, there's a couple different spots. Which way? Which way? Which way? I bet that's a good spot. Let's go over here. Wow, the water is so clear. I can't really see the waterfall from here, but the water is clear. Wow. All right, well, we'll wait our turn for the other overlook. Oh. Oh, it's deep right there. Like those walls are really deep. Wow. Can't really see the whole thing, but we'll get a bird's eye view. We're gonna walk over there. Come on, let's look. Come on. All right. There it is. That is Upper McCloud Falls. Pretty awesome. Okay, we're at Lower Falls, the last one on our Magic Water Shasta trip. Go towards the sign.
Pretty.
Oh yeah, it is pretty. Wow.
It's going the wrong way.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm confused.
It's pretty. Oh, you can walk out there. There's a sidewalk. All the pockets that have been carved by the water.
I love it.
This is perfect hole. People made it an ashtray now. It's a water hole. I want to try.
I bet you can.
Here, hold on.
Do it, babes. Come on. Think you'll get stuck? Wow, you did! What's she doing at all,
All right, so there is Lower Falls. Middle Falls is my favorite by far.
Easy.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah. This one's really pretty too, but
Really good swimming hole.
yeah, definitely.
Big.
Yeah, a good spot to hang out for summer. So, still a little preemptive for now. But pretty easy access too.